Oh my God, I'm scared. Oh my God. Jesus. I know you fucking lying. If that window was open right now, that bitch would be in here. Oh no. Who sent you? Who is your master? Fucking, do I look like the Prince Arabia to you? Fucking Jafar ass. Go away! Mommy, I'm scared. I'm sure everyone in the rooms around me and in the hallways probably like, what is going on in that room? But I don't know either. Let me go see. Oh my God, I'm scared. Oh no, I really need to see a therapist now. Jesus, I can't sleep in here. I can't sleep alone. What if? Oh my God, did you just see this guy tapping on the window? This window is never getting opened again. What do you want? You know, at first I thought maybe it was because the window was open, y'all could smell something. But it's closed now, and you're still tapping on it. Somebody's out to get me. I'm so scared. What is... I need a fucking ornithologist to explain what is going on. Because right now,